Alright. Found the saw. I was like, hey, Paul, wait a minute. Oh, like, my freaking hamster lives here. Saw. Oh, I love this. Wow. 1 year in the elements. Oh my god. Look at that. Holy cow. That is something, guys. So, listen, say what you want about your Gerbers. I'm sure Gerbers come a long way. They got a long way to go. Yeah, they have a long way to go. I'm not saying Gerber's bad. I started off with a Gerber, but spend the money. There's one thing I gotta say about Leatherman. It's worth it. With that being said, guns up.